It's a video actually na may sound. Hindi lumabas yung sound. The new division of Alliance in Motion Global, AIM World. Okay? So what is AIM World, ladies and gentlemen? A division, an online division of Alliance in Motion Global that will cater to all our online distributors. Those distributors who do their business by online marketing. Okay? We believe the way to achieve our dreams is by innovation. Bakit kailangan mag-innovate? Tell me what you observe in the following images. Oh, ano to? 1966 inilabas to. An appearance of smartphone in the movie Star Trek. Pero noong 1966, there was not even a cell phone. Oh. This movie was from Space Odyssey. An appearance of iPad. And yet, noong 1968, wala namang iPad pa. Meaning, maraming lumabas na technology na sa TV lang, and yet, nangyayari na sa buhay natin ngayon.
Yes.
Oh, can you imagine this? Ayan, oh. Talking, nagsasalita. Noong 1968, sa Space Odyssey. Ngayon, magagawa mo na yan sa Skype. Dati, hindi mo magagawa yan. Next. Ayan, oh, yung kay Minority Report. Hand motions and gestures, yung pwede mong ilipat-lipat. Tama? Ngayon, manood kayo ng CNN, ang TV nila, palipat-lipat by screen. May ginagano na lang sila. And everything. Oh. What do you think did they say when they saw future technologies like this in the movie? That's just too good to be true. Pag nanood ka ng mga pelikulang ganon, may cellphone, 1968, hindi naman totoo yan, technology lang. That's just good to be true. Tignan mo to dun sa Back to the Future ni Michael J. Fox nung araw. Ngayon, eto na oh, pag naglaro ka, lagay mo na lang yung goggle, makakapaglaro ka na, 3D. See? Back to the Future, appearance of virtual reality game. O ito, tingnan mo yung X-ray dati sa movie na Total Recall by Arnold Schwarzenegger. Di ba pumasok sila doon na may X-ray? Ngayon, tingnan nyo, may human X-ray machine na pag pumapunta kayo sa airport. Oh, technology continues to grow beyond our existing reality. The truth is, when something goes beyond our understanding, we respond with unbelief. Hindi naman totoo yan. It's too good to be true. Can you imagine a world where the spread of communicable diseases can be controlled? So ito po yan. What most of us would probably say, that's just too good to be true. Ladies and gentlemen, the flagship product of AIM World come. Officially, we are launching the iProtect 24 or 24/7. Ila-launch natin to formally sa November 8 sa MOA Arena because November 8 is our mid-year rally back in the Philippines, in Metro Manila. Okay? It's a carrier necklace. Hindi po ito yung produkto. Ang produkto, yung nilalagay sa loob. Yung pouch. Ilalagay mo dito sa loob nito. Okay? Ilalagay sa loob niyan. So, this looks like this. Okay? Pouches. What is iProtect 24/7, ladies and gentlemen? It's a Japanese technology. It has 30 years of laboratory and clinical research. Even before we launched this, friends, 30 years of back research. Hindi basta-basta nilabas. Pinag-aralan muna. And it is of course made in the US and has double patent in the United States of America. Hindi pwedeng gayahin. Oh, nakakuha natin yung exclusivity, the first of its kind. Hindi siya iniinom, hindi siya ina-apply, hindi siya supplement, hindi rin siya telco or IP product, internet, hindi rin ganon. So, falls under a new category. Hindi pa nangyayari. Bagong-bago. Kaya magiging itsura niya, ilalagay ito sa loob, tapos isusuot mo. Ano ang effect nito? This is antibacterial and antiviral shield. What does it mean? That if you are surrounded, ladies and gentlemen, with a lot of germs, bacteria, virals, diseases around you, halimbawa may humatching sa'yo, may TB, Achoo! Bago pa dumapo sa'yo yung bacteria, pag suot-suot mo tong iProtect, meron siyang bubble effect. Parang force field around you. 2 meters ang length. You are protected under that bubble. That before the bacteria goes into you, mamamatay na because of the eye protect na suot mo. Some people will say, this is just too good to be true. But uulitin ko, this is Japanese technology, made in the US, 30 years of back research. So, ano ibig sabihin yan? Suot mo lang, protected ka na. Especially dun sa mga coronaviruses. Like, MERS, yung SARS, yan, mga coronaviruses yung mga yan. So, airborne. Tuberculosis is airborne. So, sa mga bata, yan yung tinatawag na primary complex. So, mahatsingan, maubuhan, yung katabi mo, di ba, mayroong matinding ubo, nahatsingan ka pa, bago dumapo yung bakterya sa'yo, patay na. Gusto nyo ba yan? Yes! So, one good thing about that, it's a wearable technology. It emits invisible fumes creating 1 to 2 meters. Parang pabango. May fume siya. Invisible to the naked eye. Ang tawag natin, green zone, that disintegrates bacteria and viruses before they go and, bago mo sila, before the bacteria and virus come in contact with you, it already disintegrates. So, ano gagawin natin dyan? We will be launching this, ladies and gentlemen, come November 8. After November 8, in 2 months, ilalabas na po natin ang Eye Protect. Bakit advantage to? As soon as we launch this, ladies and gentlemen, the good thing about this is, it lasts up to about 60 days or 2 months. After 2 months, wala nang effect yung pouch sa loob. Kaya papalitan mo na. Kaya ano ibig sabihin yan? May repeat order. Pag may repeat order, may repeat business, mas malaking overriding commission ang kikitain ninyo. Maganda ba? So ang tawag dyan, it falls under the consumable products. Nauubos pa rin siya. Okay? One good thing about this, as soon as we launch this, we are approved in 200 countries all over the world. Hindi na kailangan ng approval from Food and Drug Authority kasi hindi siya iniinom, hindi siya ina-apply, isinusuot lang. And as soon as we launch this, we will provide the technology, credit card payment, online payment, PayPal system, and deliver door-to-door by Alliance in Motion Global all over the world. So may sagot na tayo sa mga onliners na nahihirapan kayo magpadala ng produkto kasi pagdating sa mga custom ng mga bansang yon, sinisita, tapos kino-confiscate, tsaka sinusunog. Kasi walang approval. Pwede ka magpadala pa isa-isa for personal consumption, pero pag nakita na ng customs ng bansang yon na commercial grade yung pinadadala, sinusunog na po nila. Kino-confiscate na, kaya hindi nakakarating sa downlines ninyo. Next! On the pipeline na yung mga produkto natin, pero meron pa tayong ila-launch. Aside from the Eye Protect, ladies and gentlemen, okay, ulitin ko lang. There are about 1.5 billion people each day who wakes up with a certain kind of body pain. Tama ba to? May nakakaramdam ba sa inyo nito? Yes! Oo naman. Diba pag-gising mo, parang mali yung tulog mo, masakit yung likod mo, masakit yung sakong mo, masakit yung siko mo, masakit. Ladies and gentlemen, wag kayong maglala, there are about 1.5 billion who suffers from kinds of pain every day they wake up and do their work, do their chores. Now, what pain does to us? Pain affects our productivity. Siyempre, pag may masakit sa katawan mo, it's really hard to work. It affects our family, it affects our finances, it affects our well-being. Alam niyo ba na napakalaking industriya, one of the biggest industry in the whole world is the pain reliever industry. Yung mga Ponstan, Alaxan, etc. But the bad thing about this is, if you are highly dependent upon this pain reliever, 10 years from now, 20 years from now, your liver will suffer. Because any synthetic drugs that you actually take in is being processed, synthesized by our liver. And much of that are chemicals, and in fact affects our liver. We discussed that with our product demo, right? That why is it so important that what you take are all natural, or not artificial, because the liver does so many work just to synthesize these drugs. So it's better to take supplements. So, napakalaking industriya ng pain reliever. Ladies and gentlemen, we are very proud to launch our Therma Relief Patch we call Care Relief, another product of the AIM World. Ano yung Care Relief na yan? Para siyang patch. Ilalagay mo lang, bubuksan mo, at ilalagay mo sa mga parts ng katawan mo na masakit. Narinig ko yung iba, bumubulong. Parang salon pass. Salon pass lang pala yan. Take note, hindi lang siya basta-basta na ganon. It has given us the weapon to combat body pain. Bakit? May laman po yan na iba-iba. Laman niya, meron siyang tinatawag na organic. Okay? Meron siyang tinatawag na organic germanium which acts as a natural reflector. Ano nire-reflect niya? Okay? Ito yan. Thermal relief patch, it utilizes our own body heat to bring us the relief we need. It's a great reflector. What else? Meron siyang tinatawag na turmeric, which contains the active ingredients of curcumin, which has a very potent anti-inflammatory properties, anti-pamamaga, and it's very powerful antioxidant. May ganyan ba sa Lompas? Wow! Chinese and Indian medicine has been utilizing this property for more than 1,000 years. Subukan yung kumain ng mga curry. Yung chicken curry, mga kung ano ng curry. Di ba meron yung yellowish effect? Galing po yun sa turmeric. And you try to reach it turmeric, it has more than 100. Ang turmeric can actually help in more than 100 kinds of diseases and illnesses. Ang tawag natin dyan, alam niyo yung batang luya? Ayan, yung yellowish na luya na batang luya. Ayan, turmeric po ang tawag doon. Pero hindi yung luyang malalaki, hindi ganun. Kulay dilaw siya. Pag pumupunta po ako ng Bohol, bumibili ako niyan sa bee farm. Okay? Turmeric. Masarap din siyang gawing, alam niyo yung salabat? Lalo na kami speaker, we always suffer from that. So ano pa? Meron siyang St. John's wort. It is a known herbal remedy used in the Middle Ages for its anti-inflammatory, anti-pamamaga na naman, wound healing, diuretic properties, as well as good treatments for back pains, even treating anxiety and depression. Meron siyang capsaicin, parang sili, which is derived from red chili peppers. It is a natural source of endorphin, relieving stress and pain. So probably when you put that, medyo siyang konting mainit. Nagpapainit ng konti. Okay? Isipin nyo. I protect together with the CareLive up to 200 countries. Payments are made online. Credit card, MasterCard, Visa, PayPal. And the good thing about that, ladies and gentlemen, yung second and third products natin are already in the pipeline. Hindi lang yan ang magiging product ng Emerald. Pinag-iisipan na po namin yung third, yung fourth, yung fifth product na ilalunch natin. Ground zero, wala pang naggagawa nito, tayo pa lang. Backed up by a 10-year company called Alliance in Motion Global. It's stable and pioneering. Okay? So before that, isipin nyo mabuti to. What's your future in Alliance in Motion Global through this new division? Who hasn't heard of the company Mark Zuckerberg? Ano tawag natin dyan? Facebook. Facebook, ladies and gentlemen, started in 2003, pero hindi pa Facebook ang tawag. Tinawag po na FaceMash. Sinumalan niya sa dormitory sa Harvard, kasama lang ng 5 kaibigan. Nangyari, after that, nilaunch nila yung Facebook from 2003, pinalitan ng pangalan from FaceMash to Facebook, ng pangalan thefacebook.com noong 2004. Pero, hindi pa good sa buong mundo. When they launched this, good lang siya sa mga universities in Boston, Ivy League, USA, and Canada. Makikita niyo yan kung napanood niyo yung pelikulang Social Networking. After that, in 2015, they were so aggressive, they formally launched what we now know as Facebook. Massive worldwide expansion, ang statistics po niyan, ladies and gentlemen, social networking, they made billions and billions and billions of money. Ladies and gentlemen, ang yumaman dito, sino? Of course, the founder, Mark Zuckerberg. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you something about the company this handsome gentleman started. Okay? Tinayo po ang AIM Global ni Doc Ed, Sir Francis, Sir John, noong 2005. Technically speaking, ladies and gentlemen, 10 years na tayo ngayon. Kasi as of DocEd, September of 2005, informally na nilang nilaunch ang AIM Global. 2005 pa lang, nagre-receive na po tayo ng pay-in at nagpe-payout na tayo. Since 2005 until now, ladies and gentlemen, daily at hindi pa pumapalya ang AIM Global sa mga payout system natin. As of 2015, we are already in 13 countries, particularly Singapore, Taiwan, Brunei, Hong Kong, Hawaii, Nigeria, Togo, Ghana, Uganda, Kenya, UAE, Kuwait, Philippines. Again, we will be opening up soon in Kenya. We will be opening up soon in Cameroon. We will be opening up soon in Pakistan. Even India is already in the pipeline, ladies and gentlemen. So, we launched as of 2015 yung tinatawag nating AIM World. This is massive, worldwide, and expanded in almost 200 countries all over the world automatically. When we launched this, it's technically saying that we're already expanding in 200 countries all over the world. So, ngayon ang tanong ito. Yung industriya natin, AIM Global, AIM World, nasa health industry, which is also a billion-dollar industry. Am I right?
Yes!
We are also on the internet. Kasi may mga online marketers dito, which is also a billion-dollar industry. And I have good news for you. We are also in the home-based business because network marketing is a home-based business,
Yes.
which is also a billion-dollar industry. Can you imagine these three categories? Lahat billion-dollar industry. The question is, pag kayo sumama sa AIM Global, sumama sa AIM World, with these trends, who will make millions? Amen. Ladies and gentlemen, I have good news for you. The distributors will all make millions. And ito maganda, ladies and gentlemen, we've only just warmed up. Ngayon, maraming magsasabi sa atin, huwag ka na dyan sa AIM Global. Matagal na. 10 years na. Sabihin mo,